Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name's Mira Nur Sakina. I'm one of the teams on this research, and today we are going to discuss about BD Print and Android base for bilingual digital promotion of integrated tourism in Garut Selatan in the second ANCOSET 2020 at Saturday 28th November 2020, and it will be delivered by Raden Yani Dewi Cahyani, Hartono, Raden Mira Nur Sakina, Oen Putra, Setiawati, and Gunawan Undang. See about background of research. Tourism is an inseparable part of human life, especially regarding social and economic activities, starting from activities that were only enjoyed by a few relatively wealthy people in the early 20th century. Now it has become part of human rights. As such, tourism is a product of modern social arrangements. Tourism planning must be based on condition and carrying capacity with the aim of creating long-term mutually beneficial interactions between the achievements of tourism development goals, increasing the welfare of local communities and sustainable environmental carrying capacity in the future. So, the purpose of our research is the design of BD Print application can support tourism promotion efforts in South Garut region so that tourism potential in this area can be well known by tourists in foreign countries because the application is made in two languages, English and Indonesian. Based on this phenomenon, hopefully the developing strategies to promote the tourism potential of South Garut as leading tourism destination in West Java province can be well prepared. Okay, next in this slide, we are going to discuss about conceptual framework. And according to RD, Rusmania, and Sianipar, application with mobile e-tourism based on the Android operating system can be run via smartphones by tourists. E-tourism with the function of selecting tourist attraction, scheduling activities tourism, giving user a good rating and comments for a tourist spot and the estimated time and route to be taken to get the tourist attraction around the area. So, BD Print is a concept of utilizing information and communication technology to increase usability of information technology in the field of tourism created into languages, English and Indonesian. So, this application provides various tourism services to tourists that make tourism marketing more accessible, both locally and internationally. Okay, for the next slide, we are going to discuss about method of research, and this study applies the waterfall method in application design, which includes the stage of system design, analysis, design, coding and testing, implementation and improvement. So the characteristic of the waterfall are activities that flow from one phase or one stage to the other phase or to the other stage sequentially, and each phase is passed first to completion to get to the next phase. And for the picture, we can see together from requirement analysis, system design, implementation, testing, deployment, and maintenance. At the table, at the requirement stage, the research carried out the process of collecting tourist location data and future requirements of the system to be created through a user needs questionnaire. On the stage of analysis and design, research processing the result of tourist location data and needs questionnaires users and translate them into system design and face-to-face device soft. Then enter the coding and testing stage. The result of the stages is that the design is implemented using A programming language that is understood by the computer for produce workable software. So this stage is the implementation of the stage design that will technically be done by the programmer. The coding stage will be carried out simultaneously with the trials to test program deficiencies and functions of the system. In this slide, we are going to show about result and discussion. For the first one, use case diagram system design. It can be described the functionality expected of a system that emphasize what the system makes and present an interaction between actors and the system. See about user and admin here. It shows that how diagram system design can operate. And for the second one, software development and implementation, it can be shown by hardware specification. For the first one, it's like hardware, memory, storage, GPS, operating system, and internet. And the third one is PD print design. So the bilingual digital print application is designed into languages which aims to promote Southern Garut tourism objects in an integrated manner and can be recognized by varied tourists. For example, that search result for Mount Papandayan icon along with information and routes. So the conclusion of our research based on the explanation above, it can be concluded that with the creation of the BD print application, the tourism potential in Southern Garut will be better known by both local and international tourists. They will more easily get information about Southern Garut tourism. This promotional information system is built more easily and efficiently. With this information system is expected to help Southern Garut tourism in order to compete better because all information about the tourism object is easier to obtain by visitors. And the BD print application is certainly very helpful for those who of you want to visit Southern Garut without being accompanied by a guide. And you can also file a complaint or comment through this application so that it can help the city government respond to tourism developments. Okay, I think enough for this our presentation, and thank you very much for all of your attention. If any question, we can answer together by Teams. Okay, thank you very much. And last, I would say Alhamdulillahirobbil alamin. And last, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.